Toolboxes are essential for anyone who needs to organize and transport their tools. There are many products available to choose toolboxes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best toolboxes from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Stack Toolbox. Get maximum storage flexibility with the DeWalt Extra Large Toolbox. The tool storage platform is flexible, allowing you to create different combinations for your tools. All units can be stacked on top of each other and connected securely with durable side latches. The built-in bimaterial handle makes it easy to carry your tools around, while the removable tray gives you quick access to the tools you use the most. With extra large volume, you can store even more high-quality tools. Keep your tools safe and organized with this versatile and durable toolbox. Number 2. Keda Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer. The Keda Tool Organizer is a versatile storage solution designed for your garage or DIY projects. Its durable yet lightweight build makes it easy to handle, while the interlocking design allows you to customize your setup to fit your needs. You can transport it effortlessly thanks to the metal telescopic handle and sturdy wheels, ensuring you can move your tools wherever you need them. Plus, the audible latches provide peace of mind, confirming that your items are secure during transport. A transparent lid on the small parts organizer lets you quickly see what you have stored. Number 3. Craftsman Toolbox. The Craftsman Toolbox provides safety and comfort for your tools with its padlock eye and comfort grip handle. The front metal latch offers added security, while the portable tray inside provides extra storage for hand tools. Easily move the toolbox from home to job for added convenience. Number 4. BDSD 60500 APB Stackable Storage System. Organize your tools with ease using the Beyond by Black Plus Decker Stackable Storage System. These sturdy units have durable auto-lock latches that make connecting them quick and easy. The quick release on the locking latch allows you to easily separate each module when stacked for quick access to individual units. The toggle latches securely close and lock lids of shallow and deep toolboxes and are easy to operate. This portable, wheeled unit can be steered using the ergonomic, telescoping handle. With these features, you can easily store and access your tools whenever you need them. Number 5. Portable Toolbox with Wheels. The Stalwart Stackable Mobile Toolbox is a durable plastic construction with interlocking toolboxes that can be stacked or used separately. The top unit is nested inside the bottom part, making it easy to transport with its wheels. The overall dimensions are 10x 17.875 x 24.125 inch, making it perfect for storing and transporting tools.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.